Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Yeah, thank you very much for watching my video a long time. Yes, and today I'm show you the best benefit from the cryptocurrency, and you know already. Yes, in the cryptocurrency, and especially is DF. DF can make your profit or a lot of benefit with the project DF. And if you check on the first page in coins market cap, yeah, it has some altcoin or some um, the DF it extend on the first page in coins market cap already. And if you trading or if you buy in spots like the BNB or the ETH and buy and sell, so you will earn around the 5 or 10% maybe 1 week or 2 week. But if you buy in spot and holding at the DF or at the staking, so you will earn double your profit, right? You will earn double your profit, like the 20 or 30% around the 30 APY or 50 APY per 1 year. Is that mean if 50 APY, so you will earn around the 4 and 5% per 1 month. Right? This I think that is the good for investing long term. Yeah, it is good for investing long term. Today I show you one DF is a lot of benefit. Yeah, it has a lot of benefit, and especially now, and it extend on the first page in coins market cap. And I go to show you the this DF is ranking. Yeah. And you scroll down in the first page in coin market cap and find the ranks number 79. So you will see the best DF. Yes, 79 on 79 today. PancakeSwap. Yeah, PancakeSwap is the good DF, and especially it announced here, right? Stake to earn from the PancakeSwap. You can stake on the Binance, you can stake on the PancakeSwap official app or the web browser. And if you click on the PancakeSwap, therefore you will see here today it price only 3.34 per 1 PancakeSwap, and down 0.83%. If you check around the 1 year ago, PancakeSwap can explode to the $40 or the $30 around the 2021, right? 2021 it can explode to the top, or the top price 42 per 1 PancakeSwap. If you check on the January 2021, so PancakeSwap is only 0.57 per 1 PancakeSwap. This is the low price. And when the first as the PancakeSwap on 2020, PancakeSwap is only 0.45, and then increase to the $1 and to the $18. After the February 2021, it down to the $9, and then on the April 2021, PancakeSwap can increase to $42. Right? This is the good. And PancakeSwap, a lot of people investing with PancakeSwap. And if you buy PancakeSwap and holding, so you will earn a lot of benefit from the staking or line paid. Yes, and line paid or line farm in the PancakeSwap. You can farm or line paid and the staking and NFT. Yep. And today I show you only benefit from the staking on the Binance exchange or on the PancakeSwap official. Yes, after the down 3.54 or 3.55, it will increase to around the $4 or $5 step by step, right? And after the go to around the $5 and $10, so you will earn around the 100% it already. If you you buy PancakeSwap 10 PancakeSwap today, 3.34, so you pay 33 point $5, right? $33.5 you can get 10 PancakeSwap. After the crypto is crashed again, so you will earn around the 100% or 200%. If PancakeSwap increase to around the $5 or $9, so you will earn around, right? You will earn around the if you have 10 PancakeSwap and multiplies with the $9, so you will get $60 your profit, right? You will get $60 your profit. And if you holding and you keep it as the staking, you keep it at the staking, so your profit is double. Your profit is double. You earn from the English fry and you earn from the staking. You have two benefit for you. If you holding altcoin, so you get only one profit, and if you holding DF, so you can get two profit, like the English fry and from the staking. Or if you want to staking at the PancakeSwap official, you just go to PancakeSwap official. You just go to the PancakeSwap official and click on earn and pool or farm. Which one is you like, so you can go to farm. So you can see here on the APO 21 farm from the cake and BNB BUSD BNB. You have 16%, and especially and hot growth BNB more than 200 APO and 500 APO. This is the good benefit from the DF. And if you want to pull, so you can see here. If you want to pull with the PancakeSwap 3 APY, and 13 APO. It has a lot of benefit. It's the DF, right? I also like I also holding like the DF PancakeSwap or other DF is good for the trading and staking. Or if you want to earning from the Binance, or if you want to staking in the Binance, you just go to Binance and go to staking, and find PancakeSwap. If you staking PancakeSwap on the Binance, so you can get 8.79 APO, right? If you holding, if you staking 60 days, or is that mean 2 months, so you will earn 15 APO, and 3 months it's nearly 50 APO. It's 4 months it's nearly 80 APO. This is the best benefit from this is the best benefit from the DF. And number one, you earn from the English fry, and number two, you earn from the staking. It is good. If you are investing long term, so you should find the best real DF and holding for the long term, so you will get the bigger profit, and your capital is will increase step by step every day, every month. Right, this is the good secret also show you on my channel, right? And thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget subscribe to my channel for more video every day, right? Thank you.